Welcome back, guys, to this series of videos about the aspect of career development. And today we are going to see about making a work as your passion or passion as your work. So, what is meant by passion, first of all? So, passion is a very powerful feeling and emotion, an expression about something which you are strongly interested in. So, when I say strongly interested into, that means you are so much enthusiastic and so much energetic to do that thing that you never feel bored. You're enjoying every bit of it. Then only we'll say that that is your passion. Yes. So, do you know, guys, this is very important because we have a purpose to do something. But in case if you don't have a purpose to do something, but you have a passion, then you will never feel lost. Yes, that is very important. And do you have any example like that? Yes. If there are people around who says that they are passionate about it, about the photography, about the traveling, that there are ample of example of that, right? But here is the point, guys. When you see them doing the photography or the thing which they are passionate into, they are spending lot of hours, and they are forgetting about eating, they are forgetting about lot many things because they are so much strongly connected to that. They start creating something good out of it, right? They are having a lot of creativity into that thing because they are so much interested, strongly interested into that. And then we are saying they are so much passionate, right? Is it happening with you guys that if you go with your family to some adventurous trip, okay, and you forget to take a breaks, right? You forget to eat something, right? You're so much into that you have so much energy, right? You never stop enjoying that moment. We can say there is some energy which you are generating inside you. If you have a strong feelings, if you have a strong emotion, that's why we say these guys are spending so much time without knowing anything, right? Without knowing that what's the time, whether they have to take a break or not. Then only say we can say that they are very much passionate about it, right? So do you know, can we make this passion? There are some people who made their passion as their work. There are ample of example. But let me give a simple example, right? There are an artist, lot of artists, they are passionate about creating something, and then they are selling it inside the art gallery, right? Simple, right? They are living their passion, and they are earning a money out of that. Okay, here is the thing. If you have a passion and you are making it as a work, very good. I mean, that makes your life definitely a happy life, a happy work life for sure. Okay, in all aspect of your life you will be happy for sure. Okay, but in case you don't find your passion until now, can we make our work as our passion? Yes, we can make our work as a passion. There are series of steps which you have to find out, and you can make your work as a passion. But guys, it is not a one fit solution for all, right? It is a different for everyone. Okay, one thing, if it fit for someone, it cannot be fit for other, right? So here is the thing which you can follow, which you can take, okay, to find your passion into something. Okay, first thing, you have to make a list of a purpose about your motivation. That's what we have done, guys. The all videos, if you are seeing all those videos, this is the thing which you're trying to do. We are trying to find out our passion out of that, writing our key purpose, writing our motivation, writing our interesting the things which you are interested into, writing the skills which you are good at. These are the steps to find out the passion about something. And if you're able to do that, if you haven't seen those videos, then go and see those videos, take out all those important things which are mentioned there, find out purpose, goal, everything. I will definitely say that you will find your passion into that. You will find out the passion into those process, or if you follow them properly. But besides that, there is a reflective structure has to be into the place. What I mean by that is that there has to be some diary which you should maintain, which is a reflection of yourself. If you are doing something, if you're working on something, right, you should see how much you are successful into that, successful or maybe failure, anything, right? You should write it down, how much time you take into indulge into that, right? And how much feedback or how much success or failure you got into that. So that's very important, guys. Have a reflective structure into place, okay, and maintain the diary for that. The third important thing is that have anyone like your friend or any coach as your partner with whom you are going to share everything, right? Maybe your career goals or maybe your purpose, right? You can have the list of that as well and share it with your friend so that he will remind you if you lost in between. But if you have a passion about something, you will not lost. Okay, so maybe you can have someone with whom you are sharing your purpose, your goal, and your deadlines, right? And then definitely it will be helpful for you. Why? Because those guys will help you to identify the opportunities into the every part of your life, or maybe every part of your work. So try that, guys. Have someone with whom you're going to share that. And of course, as I mentioned, the series of videos, if you see, you will get the other steps as well, okay, which will definitely help you to identify the passion for your work. Okay, so that's very important, guys. See this thing for sure. Okay, and we'll see into the next video about the habits and the routine. How can we make a certain thing as a habit and the routine into the work life and into the normal life as well. If you're seeing this video, guys, on YouTube or onto the Facebook, I will urge you to click onto the link which is just below inside the description, so that you can sign up to my course and you can get more content than this. We are covering a lot of stuff into that, so go ahead and sign up into that link, because the course is totally free, and you can take advantage of that. So all the best, guys. See you into the next video. Goodbye until then.